Welcome to All That Matters, a channel about all and everything. Good lighting is very much important to make good videos. So today's video is about unboxing a ring light for making videos. I have been making videos during daytime or with natural light or with using the available lighting at home. So in order to enhance my lighting in my videos, I have got this Digitech ring light. The model number is DRL018H. So be with me to do the unboxing of this ring light. I also have purchased a stand for this ring light, which I will be showing after unboxing this. Digitech LED ring light, model number DRL18H, dual color temperature. So this is how the light looks. No shadow aperture, stepless adjustment of light intensity, runs on AC DC both. 55 watts power output, dual color temperature 3200K to 5600K, illumination 5000 LM LUX. Digitech ring light DRL018H with no shadow apertures is essentially a boon for photo video shoots at no electrical power supply spot. Runs on two optional NPF 550/750/960 Li-ion battery. Can be mounted to a grip head or light stand as per need. 240 pieces high quality SMD LED lamps with stable color temperature. Ideal use for selfie, makeup artist, portrait photography, video shoot, fashion photography, TikTok video, YouTube videos. Operational instruction: please take out the light from the bag, insert the power line into the plug and connect to a AC power source. Rotate the knob clockwise to turn on the light. On rotating further, the light becomes brighter. This has intensity control, color temperature control, power button. This pack includes ring light body, AC power cable, smartphone mount, hot shoe mount, carry bag, instruction, user manual. So let's open this up. It looks very sturdy. The zip is not so sturdy though. Let's see what is inside. So this is the light. This is the instruction manual. The power cable. So this is the power cable. This is the mobile mount. This is the hot shoe mount. Hot shoe mount. So these are the ones which were in the pack. Now let's unbox the stand. So this is the Digitech 9 feet light stand. Salient features: quarter mounting thread, flip lock, shock absorption springs, 3 sections, and is widely compatible with studio lights, flash units, ring lights, LED video lights, LED panel reflectors, umbrellas, light lamps, projectors and others. So you can see the model number here. This is DLS009 FT is feet. So let's open this up. This is made in India. This is pretty heavy and very sturdy. So this has this 3 lock systems here where you can adjust, and you can see the mount here, the screw. This is the cap which they have provided. So let's mount this up. Second level, I think this is around 6 feet. 9 feet goes till the ceiling. Super sturdy. So now let's mount this up. I have the ring light here. So loosen this up a little and then put this inside and fix it up. So this is got fit now. You can adjust the light like this by using this lever. You can fix it up, tighten it, it stays in that position. Now let us see what is there in the light itself. This is fixed already on the lamp. So now let's see what is there in the light. So first is, let's turn this up back. So here you see the power cable. You have the power cable here. This is how it is. So you have to fix this to get the direct power here. So here you see 2 knobs. This is the dim and dim light, meaning you can increase the intensity of a light or decrease it based on your preference. And this is the color adjustment. Like if you want daylight kind of thing, bright light, this is the knob which you use to make it yellow light or white light. And this is the place where you have to put the hot shoe knob. So this is the hot shoe knob. You see this square kind of thing here, that actually slides in here like this. You can tighten this up. Here you can mount the DSLR or the camera or the your mobile phone stand. So the mobile phone stand has been provided. This is the one. You can fix it up either this way or you can fix it up this way, whichever way you want. For this purpose, video purposes, I am just fixing it up here. If you do not want to use it here, you can also use it here using one more attachment which has been provided. This one you can screw here and mount this here also. One more option which is available is in the front side. You can also fix it by screwing this portion here. So you can adjust this to whether you want to, like, you can tilt it up and use it horizontally also. So now let us see the intensity of this light. So the direct current is passing from here, but this is the on off light button. You can see the 1 and 0 here. So now let me on it, and I am going to twist it to show it to you. So this is the white light. Now I am going to increase the intensity, meaning I am going to increase and decrease the intensity. Now this is in full brightness. I am going to lower it now. This also acts as an on off button. So see the light getting dimmer and dimmer and finally off. This is how this works. Now let us, I am going to increase it to the fullest brightness. Now I am going to adjust the color intensity. So this is the white light, meaning the brightest light. Now I am going to make it yellow. So to get daylight kind of lighting, you can use the yellow. To get like evening kind of lighting, you can use the white light. I'm increasing, I'm dimming the light and increasing now. This is the full yellow light. Now let us make it white. See the evening tones. Now sunny tones. So I am using the ring light now. This is in yellow full intensity. Now I am going to dull it up and make it white. All the other lights in the room are off. This is the only light which I am using to shoot this video. So now I am using the white light. You can see the difference. Now I am going to dim it for twilight look. Now I am going to use the yellow light and then dim it and show it to you. For a cloudy morning. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.